I was going to say the hair cast doesn't apply to Alicia because her hair is always on point.
Oh, I don't know
looking
about that.
Cute.
Very nice.
But yeah, it's been super hot and humid and muggy today. We even got to see some rain a little bit earlier, but things have winded down now, and it's a beautiful night. Very cloudy skies out there, but we are tracking some more rain on the way. Not as much as we saw this week, but it's just a gloomy night. And I want to talk about those rainfall totals since we've been seeing so much rain since Monday night. So here's those rainfall totals. So far since Monday night at the airport, we've seen 5.5 inches of rain, close to 6 inches by Fair Oaks. Universal City got to see 3 inches of rain, and Kerrville about 1.5. Bernie, 5.5. So that is a good amount of rain in just a week. Is exactly what we needed because we've been in a drought. Now, as far as tonight, I know it felt so hot and humid, but we were actually a little bit below average for today. We registered 86 degrees. The average is about 90, but it just felt so hot because it's been so humid. So as far as things right now, we are looking at 79 degrees, winds are calm, humidity is high, and we're still looking at some 70s in the hill country, and we've got some 80s in Del Rio and Eagle Pass. But as far as things right now, we were tracking some rain earlier. Looks like there's a tiny little cell still in Hollywood Park, but that's already diminished. So we're still tracking some activity towards the west. Might make its way in Del Rio and Eagle Pass, but it does seem to be diminishing as well. So it just looks like a very cloudy night. Hair cast, I had in the frizzy category, but Alicia said, no, it's a ponytail kind of night, and she's right. So it's very muggy out there. But we're also looking at some very hazy skies. So it's not smoke, it's not pollution, it's actually Saharan dust making its way all the way to the States from Africa. So it travels across the ocean, and this happens every year around summertime. So this actually gives us really nice sunrises and sunsets, but of course it's not great for air quality. So we're looking at the yellow category in Corpus Christi, Houston. We're still in the green though here in San Antonio. So good news. Now, what can we expect for your Sunday fun day? Well, it's going to be a lot like today, just a little bit sunnier, but it's still going to be really hot and humid. And we're tracking some rain for tomorrow afternoon. So you'll notice if you live towards the northeast, very far northeast, you'll be seeing a 2 out of 5 category, 1 out of 5 in the New Braunfels Gonzales area. But if we look at our future cast, it's not going to be a whole lot. So around 3, 5 o'clock, tracking some storms towards the northeast, and it looks like that's about it. And then we'll have the clouds rolling in for Monday morning. So just watch out for the rain tomorrow afternoon, but it looks like that high pressure system is really going to take over, and it's going to diminish those rain chances on Monday and Tuesday. But here's a look at your 14-day forecast. Another hot and humid week. Rain chances pick up once again by the middle of the week, especially Wednesday night into Thursday morning, as well as Friday will clear up by next weekend and potentially close to triple digits next weekend. And also I saw Vinny doing some laps earlier today, getting his steps in, even with the hot and humid weather. So I want to look like Vinny this summer.
Well, Roxy, no hurricanes forecasted for us right now, but man, we got a lot of rain last week. Much needed rain, I'll say.
Yeah, we accumulated close to 6 inches in some areas in just 1 week, which is insane. But yeah, we definitely needed that rain. We've been in a drought, and it's also very humid. We were talking about the hair cast that I have, so I'm going to have that in the forecast. But let's talk about things right now. It's a calm morning. It's gloomy out there. It's hazy. But yes, it's a ponytail category day for today as far as the humidity. So the hair is not going to cooperate. It's looking very humid out there. But here's our sky. So you'll notice the haziness. It's not pollution. It's not smoke. It's that Saharan dust all the way from Africa. So it's not going to be the best day to be outdoors if you have any kind of respiratory issues. Temperature wise though, it's pretty nice outside. 72 degrees, winds are calm, but you're definitely going to feel that humidity as soon as you step out the door. So we're getting that Saharan dust. This happens every year around summertime. It gives us really pretty sunsets and sunrises, but it's not the best for air quality. So we're actually on the moderate scale. Many areas in South Central Texas, San Antonio, Austin, Houston, Corpus Christi, as well as Brownsville. So just watch out for that if you have respiratory issues. But let's talk about the rainfall totals. So this is since Monday night. We have accumulated 5.5 inches at the airport. Fair Oaks got to see 5.8 inches of rain, 3 inches at Universal City, and we got to see 5.5 inches of rain in Bernie as well. So very good rainfall totals, exactly exactly what we needed after we've been in a drought. We were in the exceptional category in our drought. So this is very good news. We're catching up. As far as today, it's going to be hot and humid, so it's an iced coffee kind of day, forecasting 97 degrees, but it's going to feel hotter than that due to the humidity, so it's going to feel like triple digits today, so prepare for that. But it's going to be a lot like yesterday. We're going to be seeing a little bit more sunshine today compared to yesterday, and we're staying very above average. We should be at 91 this time of year. We're in those mid to upper 90s, so very hot. Make sure you're cranking up the AC, cranking up the fans for the next couple days. It's going to be really, really hot. All right, as far as our radar, it's looking quiet, not tracking anything for the morning, but there is that chance of storms in the afternoon. But you only have to worry about it if you live really towards the northeast, past Austin. But if you're in the green area in New Braunfels, Bernie, Gonzales, you might see a little bit of afternoon rain, but it doesn't seem like anything major for today, just some sprinkles here and there around 3 to 5 o'clock, and just those cloudy skies and humidity. So nothing major for today. We're going to have this high pressure system taking over and kind of drying us out a little bit for your Monday and your Tuesday, and then rain chances back again by the middle of the week. So here's a look at your 14-day forecast. We've got rain chances Wednesday night into Thursday morning, 20% on Friday. We clear up just in time for the weekend, and we're looking at upper 90s next week. Vanessa?